The Holzstar UMK6, the compact entry-level solution for sawing, milling, surface planing, thickness planing, and mortising. An integrated circular saw unit for precise and clean cuts. The tiltable parallel fence ensures precise and safe guidance of the workpiece. With a maximum cutting height of 65 millimeters, the machine covers a wide range of applications. The unit is powered by a powerful motor with 1 kilowatt of output. Additionally, the machine is equipped with a mitre gauge, which is perfectly suited for making precise mitre cuts. The integrated surface planer unit greatly expands its versatile range of applications. Conversion is both quick and straightforward. A foldable planer shaft guard increases work safety. The attachable extraction hood ensures clean and low-dust operation. The incorporation of an integrated safety switch offers you additional protection. The total maximum chip removal is 1.5 millimeters. The double strip planer knife shaft guarantees that you get consistently smooth and even planing results. The UMK6 also impresses as a thickness planer thanks to its easy handling. The extraction hood can also be converted quickly. An integrated safety switch provides additional safety. Workpieces with a height from 9 to 92 millimeters can be processed without any problems. The integrated table milling machine further expands the range of applications significantly. An adjustable milling fence enables precise guidance of the workpiece. The attachable hold-down device ensures optimal fixation of the workpiece. The milling spindle reaches speeds of up to 9,000 revolutions per minute. With the integrated slot mortising unit, the machine becomes even more versatile. Tool installation is straightforward and completely safe using collace. An adjustable depth stop enables precise repeat drilling. The precise height adjustment is conveniently carried out via a spindle drive.